Good morning, class. Today I will be showcasing a portfolio that I have done of my LTDE 5320 assignments this semester. I really enjoyed the class. It was my first semester and I learned a lot of knowledge and skills and tools that I can use going forward in my career. So the first thing we did was a collaborative digital storyboard. My storyboard does have an age restriction, so you'll have to click this link and watch it on YouTube. But here we collaborated using some of our multiple intelligences. Mine was auditory and linguistic, so I helped with the audio in the video and also the majority of the script. This was a very cool experience, collaborating on our strengths and working with my amazing group that I had. And I could take the knowledge from this digital storyboard and move forward in my career with making informationals that answer an essential question and just keep my audience engaged. I thoroughly enjoyed this assignment. The next was a student-centered learning tool. I chose to use the platform of Nearpod. Nearpod is a great tool to use for lessons, planning lessons. As you can see, I have a lesson here that you could be able to watch on YouTube where I give you a tutorial of how to use Nearpod. Nearpod has a very rich content library. Every content is covered with a plethora of videos and lessons that you can incorporate in your everyday classroom. And they also have fun videos as well. I already use Nearpod, but I'm going to continue to use Nearpod going forward in my educational settings. Also, I saw a lot of videos from my peers and classmates that the tools they use that I can use going forward as well. The next was an infographic assignment, and here you'd be able to see my infographic. It was about the elements of design: unity, balance, hierarchy, contrast, emphasis, and scale. I can use this going forward in designing pretty much anything from websites to lessons to infographics to handouts and so on and so forth. So this was a really cool assignment. The next assignment that we had was a research and analysis paper on multimedia. So I chose to use focus on blended learning platforms and how they're transforming the classroom. This was very informational on data and how the new technology is transforming the classrooms, like I said. And I'm going to take away from this that I can use this data and continue to use multimedia and technology in my own classroom settings. The last assignment that we had was a student-centered unit of learning using the DDDE model. And here I chose to do a symbolism project and incorporate an overall poetry unit that I could do with my students. And at the end, they would choose 2 books, 2 movies, 2 songs, put it on a poster or a PowerPoint, and present it to the class, something like this. I can take away and use this going forward as a great map out of lessons. You can see how effective and thorough this is. And this model is just something I would for sure use in my career going forward. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all have a wonderful semester.